here I have added proper method names now. Tell me, what is the purpose of predicate? Check the cut, tell me everyone. Predicate is used for taking input. Can you hear me, all people? Good voice coming, right? Krishna Lankapati is saying voice problem. Okay, I'm giving everyone permission. I'm giving everyone permission so that other people, when sending message, you can reply. Okay? Voice problem or no problem, they will see. Okay, now tell me. Now I'm taking interface predicate. So predicate contains what is the method? Test, because it is meant for checking the given value valid or not. So tell me, if I take object obj, it will become what do you call it? Heterogeneous now. Every object you are passing as an argument, it will go and store in obj, it will be considered as object type. I want to tell to the type to the JVM, I mean type to the compiler. Compiler, I want to take particular type. For that, here I have to use generic type now. When you want to let compiler know the type of the value, what we want to store, type of the value we want to store, I have to use word, angular bracket, nothing but generic syntax. If I write here T, and then now here also what you write now, TT. So what type of value we are passing? Now, can you please help me to develop one? Can you help me to develop generic, I mean, lambda expression implementation to this interface? All the people know how to write lambda expression, right? It's not new to you. Now tell me now. Here I am writing predicate test. Okay, or I can say test 0. Yesterday, how many programs completed? It's raining, seems to be here. If it is raining, class cannot be continued. I put the mobile outside to take the class. It seems to be raining now. If rain is coming, class get problem. Test 21 underscore predicate. Tell me now. Here I am trying to write. Tell me. Predicate P1 equal to. If you want to develop predicate, what I should do? I have to take this method parameter. Method name required or not required? Not required. Okay. Parameter, arrow mark. I will call this method by passing one argument. That argument I want to compare and generate what? Boolean value return. Can I write here return T percentage 2 semicolon? Come on guys. Return T percentage semicolon. The given value is mod 2 equal to 0. So it's generating Boolean value now. That Boolean value return. Tell me. Now here, what is stored in P? P value stored or logic stored? Come on. Everyone should answer. Inside P1, is value stored or logic stored? Logic stored. Now I have to execute this logic now. That means here I have defined a method. Am I right? Defined method, I implemented a method. It is a lambda expression implementation of what? Predicate functional method. Correct? Predicate functional method. For the predicate functional interface, the lambda expression is the implementation. Okay. Tell me, can I make it this as a shortcut? All people understand lambda expression, right? You remember lambda expression? When there is only one parameter, can I take just a parameter name? Yes. In place of T, can I write as a value? Parameter name, my wish. I can take. Okay. The value arrow. Now there is only one statement. Body is optional. Now I am removing body. Okay. And then next, return keyword is optional, right? Yes. Can I write this like this? Shortcut. It is a lambda expression implementation of predicate functional interface. Everyone understood? Then how to execute this logic? This is lambda expression implementation of predicate. It will not execute. Observe. I will run and show you. So you have to understand little difficulty is there because first time you are seeing this kind of logic, there is a little difficulty is there. You cannot understand. Please try to accept it. Okay, it is a lambda expression, implementation of predicate interface. Okay, it is just logic created but not executed. When logic executed, logic is executed only when we call. If you don't call, logic is not executed. Am I right? Then now tell me here. If I run this program, what is the output you will get? If I run this program, what is the output you will get? I'll get output just main start and main end. Come on, guys. Everyone should participate. Otherwise, I'll lose interest and you'll face problem. Okay. You know, if you are not interested, I am not interested. If you not participate, you will not understand. Then I'll feel that no need to explain. I will skip it. Everyone should participate. Compile. Now we are getting compiled error. Predicate is not available. Where predicate is available, I should add import statement. Import java dot where it is available, util dot function dot predicate. So tell me, if I use edit plus package names, I can remember easily. Am I right? If I use Eclipse, package names can I remember? No, because compiler automatically will add the package names. That's why I hate Eclipse. As a learner, you should first try the program in edit plus, then implement in Eclipse so that written test exam, you don't commit any mistakes. Okay. Tell me, what is the output of this program? Compile. And still we are getting compiled. What is that? Variable T. Where I have taken? Acha. So I have to change the variable name to parameter value. Na? So tell me, here value is the parameter of the predicate function. Value. Object on it. Okay. So why we are getting compiled error? Can anybody tell me? Why are getting compiled error here? Not return type. Boolean function. Return type is Boolean, right? Predicate is a Boolean function. Its return type is Boolean. What is predicate? Predicate is a Boolean function. What it will do? It takes object. It takes a value or an object as argument and returns Boolean value true or false. Am I right? So this is what is a predicate? Predicate is a Boolean function. What the use of it? It is used, it takes a value or an object as an argument and returns Boolean value, true or false. That's it. Now, what is the purpose of it? It is used for everyone. It is used for checking the given, the past value or object. It is used for checking the value is correct or wrong, and also used for checking sometimes. Okay, correct or value means what is used for checking the past value or object is expected value or not. Is expected value or not? Okay, if yes, returns true, else returns false. Now my question, who has to write this logic? We have to develop this logic. We must develop the above logic by ourselves by using what? In 4 ways. By using outer class as implementation of predicate, Second, come on guys, how many ways we can implement interface? By using outer class. Second way, by using anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class. Next. Fast. Only one person replying. Remaining people, what are you doing? By using lambda expression. Are you interested or not? If not interested, tell me. Happy, I'll go on to other works. Lot of work is there in my village now to do. I'm passing them and I'm taking your class. If you're not interested, I'll stop the class and go on do that work. Not interested? Shall I stop class? Shall we continue tomorrow? Tell me now. So, what is the predicate implementation? It's a declaration is as below. Tell me now. I want to provide. What is the recommended way among all these ways? The recommended way is lambda expression. Okay. Now here I have developed lambda expression wise implementation. Okay now. Tell me. Now predicate P1 equal to value of 2 equal to 5. Then now what is the output of this program, Karan? Come on guys, tell me. Now predicate P1 equal to value. Now tell me here. This is what logic development. It is not logic calling. Yes or no? Okay. It is not logic calling. Then tell me, how can I do this? How can I call this logic? Everyone, come on. This logic is not executed, right? Control 1, compile. Sorry. So first of all, it is giving compile time error. Anybody can guess why it is giving compile time error? Anyone can tell me why it is leads to compile time error? What they are coming? Bad operand types for binary operator percentage. Yes or no? That means when we are implementing this, functional interface, I have to specify type na. Come on guys, everyone should understand this one functional interface thoroughly. If you understand, remaining all are easy. Remaining 3 functional interfaces are easy. Tell me, this interface has a particular type? No. We have to specify the type. Did I specify type here? No. If I don't specify type, it will take as what type? It will take as what type? Object, right? You are very slow responding. It is take as what? Object type. I want to specify type. You want to use this value as what type? Integer type. It is used as a what type? Integer type. Yes or no? Then how can I specify this value considered as integer type? Can I write like this? Integer value equal to, how can I do casting, man? Casting is not good, right? You have to specify type to the parameter, not typecasting. Typecasting leads to class cast exception. You want to restrict this predicate to use only for integers, na? You don't want to take all types of values, right? Somebody saying cast. Come on, everyone should answer. I should specify here type to the parameter to tell to compiler consider this value as an integer. So the compiler restrict us to pass only integer. Am I right? Can I write like this integer value? Let's see compiler or not. Compiler throwing error. Why? The parameter to this value should specify, parameter type should specify, not directly by your own. You should specify via generic parameter. Yes or no? Then which side I have to specify this integer? Not right side. You have to specify here. Predicate, angular bracket here. Predicate integer. I'll catch my point. Predicate integer p1 equal to value arrow. Control 1. Now compile check. And tell me how the type is coming to this parameter. This parameter is nothing but this one only, na? Now try to link, please. When you define like this integer is what? This will go to here. This will go to here, t. Okay. And this t will go to which type? Here. Okay. And then the t will be applied to our value type. Okay, na? This is what now? Parameter. Now the parameter can I use as part of logic? Yes. Now here value, here it is declaring. This is parameter. Are you following? This is parameter. Now the parameter you are using inside the logic. Are you following? So I am hiding all these things. Let us make it abstract. Now you have to visualize. Background story you have to visualize. Sampath, are you attending class today? Sampath. Okay, tell me now. So what is this? Everyone tell me. Here value is what? Sampath, answer Nana. Again you will say not understood. Value is what? Parameter, not variable here. Chinmayi. What is value here? Parameter. And what is this value here? Parameter, reading parameter. Reading parameter. Okay. This value is parameter. This value is reading parameter. Okay, na? Now that value we are using modulo by 2. Okay. Then now this, for example, the value is 10. Is a parameter receiving value, na? Parameter means receiving value. What is the value here? 10. 10 mod 2 equal to true? Yes. So when the value will take, when this parameter will take argument, when method is called, right? How can I call the method now? First of all, did you understand how to define a predicate? How can I create predicate? All you understand now? Everyone? I don't want to explain with outer class. I don't want to explain with anonymous inner class. If I write outer class, anonymous inner class, you can easily understand. But I don't want. I want you understand with lambda expression. If I explain with outer class, easily you can understand. If I explain with anonymous inner class, you can easily understand. Okay? If I explain with lambda expression, it's little difficult because first time you are learning. But still, I want you to understand the difficulty. So when you see this, you should understand. So this is a variable. Now this is what? Value parameter of predicate function. It is a parameter of predicate function. And here we are using that parameter value. Okay, na? And here integer is what? Type. The type is applied to this parameter. Now this is calling a implementation. It is implementation. Okay. And then what should I do now? I should call and execute. Now tell me, program compiled successfully? Yes. I want you to develop one predicate after this. Okay. All people understood this up to now? Anybody have confusion in writing this predicate and connectivity background to the interface? I want you background connections you have to understand. Background connections you have to understand. Everyone understood? Today we have full time to understand. No hurry. Till you understand, I will wait because this is first time you are learning. Till you understand, I'll wait. Once you confirm, then only I'll go to next point. Otherwise, we'll take one more day, no problem. Hurry, Baril, I don't want to complete. I told you, your batch, I'm taking very serious. Even though it is taking 1 more month extra also, I don't care. Now tell me, I want to execute this lambda expression. What is the name of this lambda expression? What is the name of this lambda expression? The functional interface name, na? Array, name of lambda expression is not P1, yeah. P1 is the reference to this lambda expression. P1 is the reference to the lambda expression. Tell me, this lambda expression name, lambda expression is the anonymous name, na? Anonymous function, na? What is the name of this function? Venu. What is the name of this lambda expression? Lambda expression is a anonymous function, which is an implementation of functional interface method. Yes or no? What is a lambda expression? Lambda expression is a functional. Lambda expression is an anonymous function. Where did I type it? What is the lambda expression? It is an anonymous function, which is an, everybody forgot, which is an implementation of 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 what? A functional interface, which is an implementation of a functional interface. Then what is the name of lambda expression? Is the name of function. Yeah. Can you hear me now? Yeah, there was a call, Baba. That's why I disconnected. So we can, tell me, we can implement a lambda expression without name, but to execute it, we need a name. That name is, come on, fill the gap. That name is functional interface method name. Correct? Here, I1 is the functional interface, right? Where is the functional interface we created? Here I am creating functional interface. Interface I1, open bracket, closure bracket. Here what write? Void M1 semicolon. Then lambda expression we are implementing like this. I1 equal to lambda expression logic. Then how to execute this method? I1 dot M1. Okay, na? Okay, na guys, understood? Functional interface method name I have to choose to execute. Creation time, no parameter, no method name, but calling time we need method. Can you apply now? Understand what is the name of this method? This is the implementation, right? What the name of this method? Expecting answer from everyone. You assigned this lambda expression to which functional interface? Predicate. Predicate functional interface method signature is this. I have to take it. Now invoking function, invoking predicate. Okay, invoking above lambda expression. How to invoke? I have to use what is the reference to the lambda expression? P1. So what I should write here? P1 dot. Okay. And what is the log? What is the name of this functional interface lambda expression? Test. So test of, I should pass parameter, I should pass argument. Argument. What argument I have to pass? Tell me what is the P1 type? P1 type is predicate of integer. So what should I pass here? Integer type. Are you following? Then I'm passing 10 here, semicolon. Tell me, is this method executed now? Yes. Tell me the flow of execution, everyone, please. Please involve, Nana, please. Everyone. If you don't involve, you not understand. If you understand one functional interface, remaining functional interfaces are damn easy. One functional interface, thoroughly you should understand the background connectivity and flow of execution. And tell me, 10 is passing to test method of P1 implementation. Where is P1? Here. P1 implementation is where? Here. Then the value 10 is stored in the parameter. Here value is a parameter or not? What the value stored here? 10 will be stored here. Understood? Then further logic is executed. further logic is executed. Now tell me, here value is a parameter, reading value, reading value, reading and substituted here. Okay, now what value will be there here? 10. Okay. Now what value coming here? 10. 10 mod 10. Sorry, 10 mod 2. What is the value will come? Ten mod 2. What is the value will get? Result is 0. Following a result is 0. I'm taking different color. 0. And tell me, 0 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0. Yes, true. Then it returns the true value to where? To P1 to the calling place. Return to P1. Array. This logic stored in P1 here. Value return to where? Calling place, na? Who is the calling place? This one. Understand? It returned to calling place, not to P1. That is the confusion of lambda expression. That's why I'm telling. At least one time thoroughly you have to practice, understand. So that remaining lambda expressions are Bujji concept. So this is value parameter. This is logic. This is the logic of the expression. Now that logic is we have stored in a P1. P1 contains logic. Okay. Now this is the calling place. The result is returned to calling place. Okay. Then now what is the value coming here? True. What you passed 10. What you are getting? True. So tell me what is Boolean? Boolean, sorry, what is a predicate? Predicate is a Boolean value function. Everyone understand that? What you pass? 10. Can I expect everyone understand the flow now? Yeah, I want you to write it. I will give one assignment. You have to write code. Okay. Please first write. Yeah, complete notes I want you to write. Working with predicate functional interface. A predicate is a Boolean valued function. A Boolean valued function is technically called predicate. Simple. What the meaning of it? It takes a value or an object as an argument and returns Boolean value true or false. It is used for checking the past value or past object is expected value or not. If yes, returns true, else return false. Predicate by default will not confirm the given value correct or not. We have to develop logic for predicate. We must develop the logic for predicate. We must Boolean logic, right? This is called Boolean logic. Checking is called what? Boolean logic. We must develop the Boolean logic for predicate in the by ourselves in the below. Four approaches. in the below four approaches. Number one, by using outer class, by using anonymous inner class, lambda expression, method reference. The recommended way is lambda expression or method reference. Its declaration, predicate declaration as below. In which package it is declared? Package java dot util dot function dot predicate public interface predicate public boolean test. Okay. Now below code implements predicate interface. Okay, na? Please write down complete notes. One interface, if you understand, remaining interfaces, I will directly develop and post the code. Okay. Tell me here, what is predicate P1? Referenced variable. Underline predicate P1 here. It is a referenced variable. What is value here? What is value here? Parameter. What is value here? Parameter. What is this value here? Reading argument. Is it clear? Now, next what I need to do? This is just a definition. Write down here. Just. It is just. I can say creation. What type of creation? Definition or implementation? Creation or implementation. Then how can we call and execute? Now, invoking predicate method test. That is, or you can say, we'll do one thing. Invoking above lambda expression. What is the meaning of it? Meaning invoking what? Invoking predicate method test. Tell me, what is the parameter of test now? Integer. It is integer, right? Not int. Then M1 of test. Tell me, here what happened? Lambda expression implementation stored in P1 is executed and Boolean value true or false is returned to here. Completed? Neeraj, I have written here, I am not talking. Are you not seeing the screen or what? Are you blind fellows? Are you guys using only ears, sir? Don't use eyes, sir. Tell me, Neeraj. Are you guys completed? Then tell me. If I wanted to display the return value, what should I do? I should store that value, right? Boolean even. Okay, Boolean even equal to P1 dot test of 10. All the people tell me what happened in this line. You only try to work. You only try to work. I don't want the answer. I want flow of execution. I want flow of execution. Arrow marks I want. Boolean even equal to P1 dot test of 10. What happened here? I want you only to do that. I don't want help. First, what happened? Boolean even. Next one is what? P1 dot test of 10 means. Now, this 10 is passing to test method available in P1. Then will come here. Right? And logic is execute. Result is coming to back here. Right? Then the return value is stored inside E1 variable. So here, E1 variable, write down the arrow marks as it is. E1 variable is memory created. Return value is what? True stored here. Everyone understand? Now with the return value, what I can do? I will write if condition. What is that? If even. What you do? System dot out dot println. For the value pass 10. 10 is even. Else system dot out dot println 10 is odd. Okay. Don't close. Still, we have to write some more code. Okay. This is just. Tell me output of this program. Okay, now guys, slow understood? I pass the 10 to here, return true, true stored inside even variable, and even variable reading in if condition. What is coming here? True is coming. Then the true is passing to whom now? If true, then what is executed? Block execute. So output is coming what? 10 is 0. So can I expect all people understand predicate? With this understanding, can you conclude one point? Can you conclude one point? Wherever we need if condition to store or place or return, to store or pass or return, there we can use predicate. Predicate is function interface, not its lambda expression. Completed? Now, can you develop one predicate now? Develop a predicate to check the given string starts with Hari. Okay, now develop a predicate to check the given string starts with Hari. Come on, try to write this one. So what I have to write here? Predicate. What I have to take here? Predicate of string. P2 equal to what I should write here? Value. Tell me now the value is of what type now? String. And then what I should write here? Value dot value dot what I should pass? What is the method to verify starts with? Starts with of what I should pass here? Double quotes Hari. Okay, this is the predicate. Then what I should write here? Boolean starts with equal to. Okay, here I'm writing starts with Hari. Some variable name I'm taking equal to what right? P2 dot what method I should call? Test of. I'm passing double quotes Hari. Okay. Now can I take this variable name separately? Yes. Then I'm taking this variable starts with equal to P2 dot Hari. Now I'm writing if starts with Hari, then what do you write? System dot out dot println double quotes. Can I take this variable? This is a separate variable here. String, say value variable name. I'm passing here test value, and I'm giving here value plus what do you write? Is started with Hari. Else is not started with Hari. Okay. Now Control 1, compile, cannot find symbol, class predicate, spelling mistake. Control 1, compile, control. What are you getting now? Hari is started with Hari, right? Now I am giving value as like this, commented it. I am giving value equal to, in place of Hari, I am giving Hari space Krishna. What will get now? Hari Krishna is started with Hari, right? Next, now I am taking string value equal to H smallet I'm writing. And tell me, what will get now? We'll get a true now false. Hari Krishna is not started with Hari. Clear? So hope now all the people understood now how to work with predicate.